What if your AI could think for itself? Not just generate text or images, but observe, decide, act, and adapt in real time. That's the promise and the challenge of Agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to systems designed with autonomy. They're not just reactive, they're goal-driven. They can make decisions and perform tasks without human intervention. Let's explore what makes Agentic AI different, and stick around to hear how crowd testing with applause helps companies develop smarter, safer, autonomous systems. Agentic AI systems are rooted in the concept of intelligent agents. Agents perceive their environment through sensors or inputs, evaluate their options, and execute actions to achieve defined objectives. Agentic AI is beginning to emerge across industries with the potential to reshape key processes. In finance, autonomous fraud detection agents could halt suspicious transactions in real time. In healthcare, clinical decision agents might help triage patients or schedule care based on evolving data. In retail, autonomous agents could manage inventory or tailor offers dynamically based on shopper behavior. Let's clear up a common misconception. Agentic AI is not just a fancier version of generative AI. Generative AI is about creation. It creates code, content, or conversation based on data patterns. Agentic AI is about action. It uses decision logic and feedback loops to pursue goals in unpredictable environments. Sometimes they work together. For example, in a virtual assistant, the agentic component manages the task flow, while the generative component crafts natural-sounding responses. But while generative AI might hallucinate a fact, agentic AI might act on it, and that changes the stakes. Autonomy introduces a multiplier effect on risk. Biases, logic flows, or safety gaps can scale quickly and silently. According to our 2025 State of Digital Quality in AI report, nearly 2/3 of consumers using Gen AI encountered issues like hallucinations, bias, or misunderstandings. Now imagine those same flaws embedded in a system that's making autonomous decisions. With agentic AI, even small issues can lead to real-world consequences, whether that's a misrouted delivery, an incorrectly denied insurance claim, or an unsafe product recommendation. And because these systems might operate without direct oversight, problems can persist or worsen before anyone notices. Agentic AI also introduces regulatory challenges, particularly around data privacy. As data protection laws become more stringent around the globe, AI systems that autonomously collect, process, or act on personal information may inadvertently trigger compliance issues. A failure to comply with regulations like GDPR could result in hefty fines, reputational damage, or restricted access to certain markets, and those are risks that organizations cannot afford to ignore. Agentic AI demands a new level of diligence. It's not enough to test once and ship. These systems need ongoing evaluation for bias, accuracy, UX, safety, and adaptability. And they should be continuously tested from a range of user perspectives to catch issues early and often. At Applause, we help leading organizations turn that risk into resilience. We provide real-world, real-user training and testing for AI across industries, languages, and demographics. Our global community delivers authentic, diverse feedback to improve AI behavior in ways that synthetic data and lab testing cannot match. What sets Applause apart is our combination of speed, scale, and specificity. We move fast, we scale globally, and we tailor every engagement to the technology and business goals at hand. We also integrate seamlessly into your development workflows, whether you're using modern SDLC tools, CI/CD pipelines, or agile frameworks. And our track record? We're trusted by top Fortune 100 companies, and we've helped train and validate leading AI systems worldwide. Whether you're fine-tuning a logistics bot, validating an autonomous agent's decision path, or assessing how your AI handles edge cases in different cultures, we're built for this. We help teams train AI models using diverse, high-quality data sets, validate real-world behavior with human-in-the-loop evaluations, red team systems to expose hidden vulnerabilities, continuously test for accuracy, safety, and usability at scale. Digital quality in agentic AI is not optional, it's essential, and Applause is your partner to get it right, from prototype to production. Learn more at applause.com/generative AI testing.